when I first started rehab, I basically thought it would be a big breakthrough and I'll be back to normal in seconds, but the truth is that never came. Instead, of what actually transformed me wasn't in a single moment. It was the small daily habits that compounded over time repeatedly, and that it felt boring. It felt like, even when no one's watching, it just felt like I was wasting my time. But they're the daily habits that you need to actually do in order for you to get better. Recovery from hemiplegia isn't about a miracle, it's about discipline as well. It's about stacking those small improvements, and then they'll compound over time to actually make you a better person and make you recover as well. When you do that, you look back and realize that you're not the same person as you were before, and the big goal is to inspire, but unless those small habits carry you, you won't get better. But the way I do it is the morning reset. So every morning, before distractions or excuses, I go through my stretch, my mobility, and it doesn't take hours, but it primes my body to remind that I'm on the right path and moving forward. And I stop waiting for motivation as well. Instead of I carved out 2 20-minute blocks for daily rehab, and it's just like walking drills, hand coordination. My leg is pretty much fine now. It's just my family says it's like it drags a bit, but that's, apart from that, it's totally fine. But my dexterity, isn't that great, but it's better than most people's. But so walking drills, hand coordination, or balance work, short, focused and consistent beating. Consistency beats motivation any day. I picked 2 basic strength movements, even sit to stand, wall push, and they became non-negotiables, and now I can do more advanced stuff. And I visualized moments where before I did them. So if it was just to walk downstairs, I would like close my eyes, tell myself, oh yeah, this is what's going to happen, and then I basically do the movement and make sure it's in detail. So how your leg moves, how your gait pattern is, how your arm moves, and you will that will train you to actually get better. And every night I'll write down one thing I can improve on and one thing I did well, and that shifted my mindset of like, what can I do and what have I done. And over time that habit stack will rise, basically. Motivation comes and goes, but some mornings I wake up with zero desire to train, but habits don't care about feelings, they just need to get done. So don't overcomplicate it, just maybe some morning stretches, some one strength movement, one stretch, and then one well, not one stretch, but a session, and then a mental one as well. So recovery doesn't come from waiting, it comes from daily deposits in little habits that no one will see, but it is slow and it is tedious, but it will reshape the body and your mind and your life. So anyone living with hemiplegia and trying to get better, don't try to do everything at once, because if you do that, then you will, like, next week you won't get anywhere. But pick 3 habits and commit to them daily and protect them, and that will transform you, because the truth is your future won't build by one miracle. It will be built by the habits that you set yourself and repeat every single day. But if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.